Something I still want to do, I haven't done anything about. I want to get like some hella horns or something. And hella horns just look that little bit better at the front as well. I literally ordered these yesterday and they're already in. The postman came at like 8 o'clock this morning. He too was also a car guy because he also recognized the branding on the front of the box. Alright, what else have we got here? I know we've got the horns. We've got the horns, so we've got the sharp tones. These are a bit cheaper than the, I think it's the soup tones. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping the yellow on the front of them or painting that a different color. Next then we've got our wiring harness for them. This thing's important. This is going on a different video. This is our wideband AFR sensor and gauge. That's for a different time. This should all be relatively straightforward. I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting them to be like, to feel that weighty. These feel like solid pieces, man. I think I want to do the covers in white, just because at some point I want to do the rims in white, and we've already got like purple on the outside of the car, and I don't think purple and yellow kind of are a match. And just like that, we can respray that piece. Hey, come here often? Ugh. What is with the... That's disgusting. These things are nasty inside. I don't know how it was getting any kind of solid metal to metal connection. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but that is how it looked. The inside is all manky and junky, and that is more what it's meant to look like. Next we'll hit these with some clear. Just kind of makes the paint that little bit more durable because it is on the front of the car, getting all the bugs and rocks and everything else. So I've tried to understand what this thing's going on about. All the other videos and stuff I've had a look at, they literally just plug it into the factory connectors. So I have no idea what we use this relay for. Alright. So what we'll do, we'll plug this into a factory connector. That's a pretty snug fit. These will go the right side. And then our ground will be the left side. There we go, seems to work. Ha. I'm not too sure what the purpose is of that bit there. Okay. What's the point of this? What is the point? Can I even mount them square at the front there? I cannot. Because it's gonna be... What the f is the point of that thing? It literally just... They could have just done a loop there. I don't get it. I guess I'm just gonna mount them back in the factory location. Don't tell me it's not gonna fit there. Come on! I just want something to work. That's about as good as we're gonna get it. To be honest, I don't remember what the original one sounded like. I pretty much never used my horn anyway. I was hoping to get the actual, one there. But unfortunately, with the way that things go with cars, that's not the case. Well, there's a bit more of a more complicated install than I was hoping for, just purely based on the fact that we got that bullshit happening there. But they're on. That's all that matters. Gives it a bit more of that typical JDM look on the front as well. On to the next thing.